Dumb and tacky, redneck and cool. Either way, I thank God I came up with the idea and everything worked out. It's good temporary fencing for the dogs. I don't know if the dogs are a big fan of it now. Christine, stay out of the fire pit. You'll learn a lesson if that's ever hot. Well, y'all have a great day. I truly thank God for this. Redneck, I don't know. Genius, could be. Or just tacky, probably. Either way, I'm very thankful I got this done. And like I said, I think the dogs disagree. They don't see the point in it. Christine, do that? Good girls. Well, y'all have a great day. God bless and take care.